Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors.
Today I am going to share how to make royal, rich, delicious, pure veg Navratan korma at your kitchen. So let's start the recipe. First, we have to make a masala paste which is very important for this recipe. For this masala paste, we have to soak 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds or khaskhas and 2 tablespoons of melon seeds or magar seeds into hot water for 1 hour. In another bowl, soak 7 to 8 almonds and 7 to 8 cashew nuts into hot water for 1 hour. Now take a mixer grinder, add soaked almonds and cashews. You can easily peel off the almonds after soaking. Then add soaked poppy seeds and melon seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of scraped fresh coconut. Two-inch pieces of ginger. Add water as required. And make a smooth paste. Masala paste is ready and keep aside. Now heat a kadhai, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, add few cashews and fry slightly. Then add raisins and fry slightly. Take it out and set aside. Then add half cup of makhane or fox seeds. Fry slightly and set aside. Now add 200 grams paneer cubed, fry slightly and keep aside. After that, heat 2 tablespoons of white oil into same pan. Add 1 cup of diced carrots, 1 cup of diced potatoes, 1 medium-sized sweet potato diced, 1 cup of cauliflower florets, and 1 cup of chopped beans. You can add pineapple pieces, but I don't like fruits into curry. So I use sweet potato instead of pineapple. It gives a sweet flavor into the korma. Now add salt to taste and fry vegetables for 5 minutes. Now take out the vegetables into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee into the same pan. Add 1 teaspoon of Shahi Jeera, some pieces of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cardamoms and 4 to 5 cloves. Add 2 to 3 dry red chilies, 2 to 3 bay leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Fry for a minute. Then add masala paste and mix. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of smooth plain curd and mix. After that, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Stir continuously until oil separates from masalas. Now add pinch of red chili powder. It is totally optional. If you don't like red chili powder in this dish, you can skip it. Now add half cup of sweet corn, half cup of green peas, 1 cup of chopped red yellow bell peppers and capsicums. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add pre-fried vegetables and mix together very well. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until vegetables cook with masala very well. When you can see oil separates from the edges of the mixture, then add water as required. The gravy consistency depends on your choice. Now adjust salt and mix. Now cover and cook vegetables until soft. After that, add pre-fried paneer, makhanas and dry fruits and mix together properly. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix for 2 minutes. Finally, sprinkle garam masala powder. Now, Navratan korma is ready to serve. You can enjoy with yellow pulao, tandoori roti, naan. If you like my recipes, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.